If you want to connect Salesforce with Microsoft Excel, then here's what you're going to do. First, you need to establish or a data tool to establish a strong connection. We can do this by clicking on this gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and then click on Open Advanced Settings. This one is just a very simple export and import way. So you can just, from here, going to scroll down until we find the integration section, and then you're going to click on Data Import Wizard. Now, from the Data Import Wizard, you're going to click on Import My Data, and then you will be able to import a data right here. But you can only do this by if your data is actually .csv file. So you can import your data from the Microsoft Excel if you export it as CSV and then import it right here. Another thing that you can do is use an Excel connector. So this one is a connector that allows you to integrate Excel with your Salesforce. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on Get It Now, and then you can install this. So all you have to do, you have to install this in your Salesforce. Just click on login, or you can also just continue as guest if you want. And that's it. That is how you can connect Salesforce with Microsoft Excel, both using simple methods and live or bi-directional sync. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.